Hello everyone, this is Taryn with Wonderfully Made Handcrafting, and I'm here to show you something a little bit different today. This is going to be an unboxing, however, I'm going to show you what's still available in the shop. So unfortunately, the mail was a little bit delayed for me, and I did not get my kit before the kit was sold out. So we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to show you what's available now in the shop and how you can create your own kit. So we're going to be using the scripture writing plan and the verse cards because those are made in shop. So you can always pick those up. And yeah, we're going to get going, unwrap this, and show you what you can still pick up today. So like I said, this kit is sold out. However, you can still get the die cuts that come with it. So it's just going to be under duplicate die cuts for the kit. And so you can still get that portion, and there's a ton of other things you can get to go along with it. But the most important part is the scriptures. So with the scriptures, you can get this free printable. This is the scripture writing plan, and it'll take you through 31 days in December and going through the verses that are talked about in the devotional. You also have these verse cards that you could pick up because they are still in the shop, and they also will have verses throughout the devotional. So you can do your own personal studies, and these are absolutely beautiful. What I've been doing, oh, I really like that one. But anyways, what I've been doing with these is putting them on my Trinity stand. So this is the stand that is still in the shop as well. That's built by BTW4G, and it has a little Trinity symbol right there. And then it will hold all your verse cards. So I've been putting it in my kitchen, and I can change the verse every couple days and focus on a new one. So that's what I've been doing with these, and that's probably what I will do with these verse cards as well. But if you don't have the kit and are wanting to go through the verses and do a personal study, both of these are going to be excellent resources for that. So before I get too far, let me just show you this thank you card real quick. This is from Lori and the team, and it does have the hashtag this month, hashtag BTW4G underscore who is the Messiah. I did see that Instagram is getting rid of the ability to follow hashtags, so I'm not sure how that's going to work out in the end, but I believe it's the middle of December. But for right now, you can follow it and you can search for it as well. I'm hoping that you can continue to search for the hashtags after they get rid of the opportunity to follow them. But here is a little sneak peek of January's kit, Paradox, Truce, and Contrast. So I'm really excited about this. It looks like it's going to be a blue and wintry kind of kit. So let me show you what else is available in the shop still, and yeah, we'll go on from there. Okay, so next we have die cuts. These are the duplicate die cuts for the kit. And then we have lanterns and bells. So you have 2 extra die cut sets this month. I believe both of these have 31 ephemera pieces in them. And then this one has 30. So this is going to be like a hodgepodge of all the Christmas goodies. So you have some nutcrackers, trees, greenery pieces with florals, a cardinal, multiple trees, little frames and stockings, skates. I love the kids. The kids are my favorite. And then more nutcrackers, presents, a little ornament. I love this one as well. And this kid is so cute. Look at him on his little bike in the snow. A snowman, sledding, some more globes, and some animals for those of you who like cutesy little animals to decorate Christmas with. And then this one is really beautiful as well. The snow globe with a ballerina. And then you have this winter little scene in a window. So that one is really special as well. So those are your duplicate die cuts that you can still pick up even though the kit is out of stock or sold out. But then we also have lanterns. So lanterns is going to have more outdoorsy kind of stuff, but also has some label verses on labels. So you have number of lanterns, And then some houses, so some outdoor stuff, like I said. A lot of burgundy in this one. And then more kids. This one, which Laura and I laugh about because we think it looks like my son Levi a little bit. And it just has that kind of face that he would make playing outside. So more cardinals, kids playing, and then some floral pieces as well with some other houses and some more plain trees that are non-decorated, just evergreens outside, a reindeer, and then some more verses from the kit. So I am so sorry. There are kids playing outside. We live in an apartment and I cannot make kids not play outside right next to my window, unfortunately. So we have some kids screaming out there. Okay, and last one we have is the bells. So you have the fireplace and then a bunch of different bells. Also a lot of burgundy in this one. Kind of matched my sweater with what was going on in this kit. Then you have some baked goods, kind of, so you have some cookies, and then a hot chocolate maybe, candle, just a plain gold bell, some gingerbread. I really like that one. And then presents, bells, and comfy chair. And then a bunch of verses as well on labels there. So those are all your die cuts that are still available in the shop. And let me move on to some other paper goods. Okay, so next we're going to talk about card kind of things like journaling cards and the flashcards. So we have two sets of flashcards, like always. This one's going to have a lot of plaids with this book plate on it. Backside is just a little bit lighter of a version, washed out. Then you'll always have that barcode sheet that has an extra little piece of paper right there. So that is one of the sets. The second set is this one, which I absolutely love. So many of these. But this is also going to give you opportunity to get those verses and study them. So if you're not into getting the verse cards, then you could also get these little word flashcards. So those are available. We also have something new this month. This is a mega pack. And so it's going to have a bunch of things all together. So you have some stickers in here. So you have Alpha with a vintage candy stripe. Then you have labels that match and also numbers. And then you have mini stickers. So you have, let's see, 2 of each set of those. And then you have some journaling cards of stockings. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, I think. Yeah, I think 12 still. And they look like they're all different ones as well. And that's the back side of them. And then we also have these little square cards. So these would be great for making little tags to put on presents or put in, you know, lunches during the season, or just dropping off some cookies and wrapping, like just punching a hole and wrapping some ribbon around your little bag of cookies. But these are beautiful as well. So this is the mega pack. And then we have journaling cards, just like always, and both sets are absolutely beautiful. So we have the evergreen one. It's hard to figure out which one's my favorite because I really, really like the evergreen one, just because I like the simplicity of it. But so many in this one are just, I think it's like Christmas florals or something, or flowers, but they are beautiful as well. So 12 different cards of different evergreen ones. Sorry, this one's, yeah, Christmas flowers. Oh, I was right, second time. Okay, so this one has a bunch of florals in it, but also some fun little animals and presents, ornaments. Love this one, but very, very pretty. A little train, and then the back side looks like that for that as well. And then last thing I have for paper goods, besides the paper itself, are the mini note folders. So these are still available. So you're gonna have plaid on one side, and then it's like distressed plaid, it's beautiful. And then on this side, you have different pattern papers. So those are the little card and little mini paper pieces, but let me show you the stickers. Okay, as for stickers, we have a bunch of different options, and even more so this month. So we have your regular alpha stickers. So you have your tile alphas that come in these 5 colors with the coordinating labels. So you have your dot grid, your line grid, and then your just lines. So these come in the same exact colors as you can see here. Then you also have your clear alphas. So this one you're going to get 7 colors. So 6 solid colors, and then you're also going to get this print right here of like this greenery with cardinals. And then you also have the clear alpha, sorry, there's so many names. Clear tile alphas, the larger ones. And then you also get little stickers up here too. So don't forget about those. And in this one, you're going to get 5 sets of the alphas with 1 set of numbers as well with all the colors on them. So those are your stickers with letters on them and the labels. And then we have some stickers. Let me see if I can move them over. Not that well, but it's okay. We have washi stickers this month. So you have a number of different kind of washi stickers to make tip-ins or just use as decoration on a page. Really beautiful. And then we have mini stickers. So these are, you're going to get 4 sets, 2 of each. So you have some with animals and kids and trees, ornaments and globes. Gingerbread and bells and fireplaces, and more kids with lanterns. So those are your sets of mini stickers. These are your regular size stickers. So you have some beautiful like garlands of ornaments and lights and wreaths. Then you have a train, a shop, some outdoor scenes, your verses, bigger washi strips, and then your titles to each day. So that is what is in your normal size sticker set. And then you have study bits. I'm so excited that By the Well for God has started doing this. These used to be a digital, but now you can get them as a physical sticker set. So you have a bunch of different things that you can use to make your notes a little bit more pretty as you're doing your study. So you can use these to highlight as well. And then you have your verses in there as well with some little extras just because they wanted to fill it in and make sure that everything was usable space. So that is study bits. Okay, so last up, we kind of have some of your bigger items. So this is the one stamp set that is still available in the shop, Nutcracker. And I am in love with this little berry greenery piece right there. I think it's so useful. Also love these 2 ones. And this guy would be really fun to watercolor in. So this is a great stamp to grab still. And then we have Holy Holly and a curly ribbon still in the shop. I heard that there's only one of these left, so make sure, because I'm not sure if it's still available when this gets posted. When I was filming, this was still available. But I can just imagine using texture paste through these. I'm really excited about it, actually. And then we have your paper packs. So these are both still available from By the Well for God. This is the paper pack that comes with the kit. So let me show you that. Who is the Messiah, 24 double-sided papers, 3 of each design. So you kind of have a plaid on one side that's distressed, and then more of a printed paper on the back side. So you're actually getting kind of 2 different styles. I love this one. That one's one of my favorites. But yeah, I like that one too. Love all the plaids. Snowflakes are fun. And then we have greenery, like evergreen. And then green with kind of gold flecks in it. Some yellow hymns. And then the last one are these tiny little wreaths. And then we have more of a neutral one. So this is going to be a Shop Classic. It says Christmas tree paper pack, Shop Classic. Same thing, 3 of each design. They're going to be like paper pieced trees on the front. And then more of a distressed paint kind of look on the back. I love the chippy look of the paint. It is beautiful and can be used all year round. So don't worry that, you might not be able to use all these papers all at once, because you will definitely be able to use the chippy paint side. That's almost like a canvas. That one's pretty too. Anyway, so that is the Christmas tree paper pack. I love how they did a side that was able to be used throughout all the year. So that is pretty special. So what you may ask, would I buy if I didn't get the kit? What would I purchase or pick up to do my own kit? Let me show you. Okay, if I didn't have the opportunity to pick up a kit, I would probably be doing a tag ring. So I would have some of these rings right here, and then I would pick up these items right here. I would use the scripture writing plan, and then I would pick up this Holy Holly just because I love it so much. And I would make my tags out of these 2 papers. So I would get both paper packs because I know that I could use these throughout the year. And then I love all the plaids in here, especially that hymn one too. Actually, I really like that one. So I'd pick up both paper packs and I'd make my tags out of here for the most part. But I could also make little tags out of these journaling cards. So I'd pick both of these up because both of them are beautiful. If I wanted to have like a tag that had like a prayer in it that I didn't want everyone to see, I would use a mini note folder and I would kind of seal it up on most sides and then just be able to stuff one thing in and make my little hole somewhere where I was holding that prayer in. So to get that prayer out, I would have to unclip it from the rings, if that makes sense. So I would pick up these because I think they're beautiful and you can just add something simple to really jazz them up. I would also be doing a lot of notes though. So I would grab the steady bits and use those to pretty up my notes. And then last couple things, this washi I just love, so I would definitely pick it up. I'm not sure exactly how I'd use it, but I would use it on those tags or in my notes. Both would be great. I would get these labels because you can never go wrong with labels. I always get the labels. And last thing, I would get the 3 ephemera pieces just because it's a simple way to make a statement. It's very easy. You don't have to add any extra fluff or anything. And these are all so gorgeous. I would just want all 3 sets. So that is what I would buy if I missed out on the devotional kit. This is still an awesome way to follow along and work with the other women in the Bible journaling community. So if you enjoyed this video, please comment down below. Make sure you follow me over on Instagram at Wonderfully Made Handcrafting. Check out what I'm creating this month, and I can't wait to see what you will be too. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.